Again. What color is Daddy's shirt? What color is this?
White.
What is it?
White.
White t-shirt?
White t-shirt.
A white t-shirt, that's right.
White t-shirt.
That's right, son.
Dada.
Yeah, Dada, there's Loki, huh?
Dada.
Yeah.
Dada white. Dada white shirt.
Yeah, white t-shirt, huh?
White t-shirt.
What keys are those for Daddy's new truck?
Yeah.
Yeah. I haven't gotten to have my own keys all day ever since I bought my truck.
Baby key.
Yeah, those are the keys.
For me.
Bye.